Hello. Welcome to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets sustainability, and simple scraps turn into stunning home decor. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, because we share easy, creative, and profitable decor ideas made from recycled materials every week. In today's video, we are diving into beginner-friendly wall-hanging ideas using wood and metal scrap, perfect for anyone who loves DIY, upcycling, or decorating on a budget. You don't need expensive tools, professional skills, or fancy materials, just a little imagination and the willingness to see beauty in what others throw away. Wall hangings are one of the easiest ways to transform a space, and they are especially ideal for beginners because they are lightweight, flexible in design, and forgiving if you make small mistakes. Wood and metal scraps are everywhere: leftover planks, broken furniture pieces, old frames, metal strips, rods, mesh, or even discarded hardware. Instead of letting these materials collect dust or end up as waste, you can turn them into rustic, industrial, or modern wall decor that adds personality and warmth to any room. This is the heart of upcycling, giving old materials a new purpose while creating something unique and meaningful. One of the best beginner ideas is a simple wood panel wall hanging combined with subtle metal accents. A small reclaimed wood board can become the base, while thin metal strips, old brackets, or wire shapes add contrast and texture. This kind of wall art works beautifully in living rooms, entryways, or offices and fits well with industrial and modern interiors. The natural grain of wood paired with raw metal creates a balanced look that feels both warm and bold. Even imperfections, nail holes, rust, scratches become part of the design, telling a story rather than hiding flaws. Another easy project for beginners is layered wall art, where different wood pieces are arranged in simple geometric or abstract patterns and secured with metal fasteners or frames. You don't need precision tools; even uneven cuts can look intentional when styled creatively. Mixing light and dark wood tones with matte or slightly rusted metal creates visual depth and makes the piece feel high-end. These layered designs are perfect for beginners because they allow flexibility. You can adjust, rearrange, and experiment without pressure. If you enjoy a more artistic approach, scrap wood and metal can be used to create abstract or symbolic wall hangings. Simple shapes like circles, lines, or trees can be formed using wire, rods, or flat metal pieces mounted onto a wooden background. These designs don't require perfection; in fact, the handmade feel adds charm. This type of wall art is especially popular in modern and minimalist homes, where a single statement piece can define the entire space. For those who love rustic decor, combining rough wood with aged or slightly rusted metal creates a cozy, lived-in look. Think of barn-style wall hangings, wood slats with metal hooks, or framed wood panels with industrial bolts. These ideas are beginner-friendly because they rely more on texture than technique. Sand lightly, clean your metal pieces, and let the natural character of the materials shine. This style works well in kitchens, hallways, cafés, and farmhouse-inspired interiors. If you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Kuki Decor. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to keep sharing creative upcycling ideas that anyone can try at home. One practical and decorative idea is functional wall hangings, such as small organizers or display pieces. A reclaimed wood board paired with metal hooks, clips, or holders can become wall art that's also useful. These projects are especially attractive to beginners because they are straightforward and highly practical. They are perfect for entryways, workshops, kitchens, or even bedrooms, proving that upcycled decor can be both stylish and functional. Safety and simplicity are important for beginners, so choosing designs that require minimal cutting and drilling is key. Many wall hanging projects can be assembled using screws, nails, or strong adhesive, depending on the materials. The goal is not perfection, but progress. Each project builds confidence and helps you develop your own creative style. Over time, you'll start seeing scrap materials not as waste, but as opportunity. Another exciting aspect of beginner-friendly wall hangings is their potential to sell. Handmade, eco-friendly wall art is in high demand, especially pieces that tell a story of sustainability and craftsmanship. Simple designs made from reclaimed wood and metal often appeal to buyers looking for unique, affordable decor. Even as a beginner, your creations can find a place in homes, offices, cafés, or online marketplaces. What starts as a small DIY project can grow into a creative side hustle. As you experiment with these ideas, remember that finishing touches make a big difference. A light sanding, natural oil, clear coat, or matte black paint on metal can elevate the final look without complicating the process. Keeping the finish simple helps maintain the raw, authentic feel that makes upcycled wall art so attractive. Less polish often means more character. Before we wrap up, take a moment to think about the scraps you already have around you. Old furniture parts, leftover construction wood, broken metal items. These are not problems, they are resources. With a beginner-friendly mindset and a little inspiration, you can turn them into wall hangings that reflect your personality and values. Every piece you create is not just decor, but a statement about creativity, sustainability, and mindful living. As we come to the end of today's video, we hope you feel inspired to start your own wood and metal scrap wall hanging project. Whether you're decorating your home, learning a new skill, or exploring creative ways to reuse materials, these ideas prove that you don't need to be an expert to make something beautiful. Thank you for spending your time with Kuki Decor. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which idea inspired you the most. Until next time, keep creating, keep upcycling, and keep turning scraps into style.